Spotify login problem with phone number. How to fix Spotify login error with phone number. So if you're just trying to log into the Spotify app as you would normally do, but it's simply giving you an error. Now, if it's not logging in with phone number, Snapchat does not use your phone number to log in. You have to log in using your email address and your password. Now, if there is a phone number option but you're not being able to log in, it could also be that the phone number is not yet associated within the Spotify account. So use either your username or your email address to log in. If you're still having issues, just try to check whether your password is actually correct. You can also select login without password if you want to reset it, or use the code or the link to log in. For Android users, long press the Spotify app icon from your home screen, then tap on the app info option to come to its app info page directly. Then from here, just go to storage, then clear the cache files and also try to clear the data. Check if the Spotify app has an update, and if it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. So hopefully this would have helped to solve the problem. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.